Hello, good morning to you all. Today I faced an error on Instagram. When I tap on open the Instagram, it is getting closed automatically or being crashed immediately when I open. So when I want to do any action on Instagram, it is automatically getting closed. How we can fix this? See, when I open this, when I do any action, see, it automatically got closed. So how we can fix this? Let us see the ways to fix this. First thing you can do is you can open Play Store and search for the Instagram and check whether there is any update available. So yes, open through this. See here, Instagram keeps stopping. So one thing you can do is you can simply relog in by just pressing and holding on the app. Click on this I symbol, which is info, and you can clear the cache. Click on storage usage, click on clear cache. So we are refreshing the app by clearing the cache. So once you do this, when you open this, you need to click on clear data, and when you clear data, all the app gets refreshed and all the data which is stored locally in this phone which is related to Instagram gets deleted, and it will ask you to log in again. So you need to log in again. Once you log in again, everything works fine. So let us see here, everything starts as a fresh app. See here, now you need to log in and click. So if that also didn't work for you, just uninstall the app and reinstall once. I'm just uninstalling the app, and what I'll do is I'll go to Play Store and install freshly. So once you uninstall and install the app and relog in, everything will be working fine. See, I have just reinstalled this WhatsApp on my mobile and logged in, and now everything is working fine. The app is not getting crashed. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.